there was hadith about dogs. There was a hadith that to kill the dogs. Then this hadith nusikh, cancelled. And the Prophet ﷺ said, kill al-aswad al-bahim, the pure black dog. There are rules for that. But as a general rule, in the Sharia, al-darar yuzal. One of the qawaid in Islam, one of the fundamentals in Islam, al-darar yuzal. If there is something harmful, you remove it. Okay, even the ants. It is forbidden to kill the ants, but if the ants are big and causing troubles for you, so what can you do? For example, you put a kind of medicine to keep them, and to let them go away. But if you cannot, if it is not working, can I kill them? Yes, you can kill them. This is allowed. Why? Because this is an exception. The same thing for dogs, for cats, for the animals, the insects. Okay, if they are harming you, causing troubles for you, you try to keep them away by different ways, but they are not escaping, so you can't kill them. The same thing for dogs.